pick? Are you gonna pick Remy?
Maybe why?
Ew.
It's a 5v5, Carl.
Alright.
Are you ready?
Yeah, it should be blue text here, not text here. Secure America. Let's go, Ricardo. Riley has him in the corner. He didn't keep him there. Yes. Ricardo. Careful. Just, yeah, keep him off. He's big and lumbering. Wow. That was the YOLO flash kick. That's the right idea.
Into the heat of battle. Go for it.
I think Ricardo might have an OCP coming up. Hey. Nice. Okay. Hyper.
Oh my god.
Oh, Charlie. Poor Charlie. Oh, I got this.
Oh my god.
You win.
Mark, choose your next.
Yo, Harry's ready, man.
Rude.
Rude.
Wow.
What? It's inevitable.
Bloodline
Civil
battle.
War, bro.
Bloodline. Boiler room battle of the bros.
Find a new rival.
Loser has to do the dishes.
I got $10 on
Take out the trash.
$10.
Fight and free.
I don't know about that. There's flash pressure.
This is gonna be a heated one, I can tell. Oh,
Nice, keep it cool.
Rudy getting the first big hit.
Get a bar. There we
Oh,
go.
this could spell the end for the round.
Bingo, bango.
Nice. Nice. Oh! Oh! Oh!
Was that a teabag?
Teapot.
Tea kettle?
Nice. Hurt him. Hurt him.
Use it.
Play with him. Play with him all day, Ricardo. Yeah, keep him there. Frustrate him. Nice. Annoy him.
Nice.
Yeah, make him angry.
Oh, fire. Good decision.
Oh!
You tell me to make him angry.
You win.
Rodrigo.
Rudy's taking it all the way.
Maybe.
Number one.
Now, find a new rival. Welcome to the world of Street Fighter.
See you safe later.
Prepare for battle.
Alright, let's go, Rod.
Is it good counter pick and shit?
8 viewers, nice.
Battle. Go for it.
Yeah, super. Oh. Right. Get in there safely. Nice. Oh. Get some meter, get some meter. Watch out for a tackle. Nice! Oh, JR Rodriguez.
Enter the heat of battle. Go for it.
Oh, here we go.
Oh, that's gonna hurt. He blew his whole load.
Do it to the works.
There we go.
Chop him.
Don't get impatient.
Yes. Yeah, take him to the corner. Oh. Oh.
Get the ass in here.
Yeah, it's a glitch.
What the heck?
Not a glitch?
Yeah.
I never seen that before.
Really?
Go for it.
I haven't seen it in a while, but you see, it's tricky. It tricks you. Rematch. Just go safe
Keep
activation
him away.
here. There we go. Hey. 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 Nice. Oh.
Use it somehow.
Just relax. Nice.
Oh, have a
Actually
party.
hurts a lot. Oh, the secret.
You gotta. Keep it cool.
Here we go. Hey!
Alright, Harry.
You win.
Wow, standing in Harry
Harry's
already.
ready. He's gonna avenge.
And now, find a new rival. Welcome to the
This is a
world.
big test right here.
Oh shit.
Prepare for battle.
Kill it off?
Fuck it, I'll play.
Wow, confidence in the air. He's playing it.
Fight is ready.
He's playing it
Not even
out.
using his color.
Harry, a dangerous Syrian in his own right.
I agree.
Oi! Careful here.
Oh, it's just not caring. No fear. Oh,
Are you ready?
phone.
Go.
Distraction.
Oh, it's gonna hurt. Woo! Big damage from Harry. Team Vinny looking weakened.
Get out of there.
Oof.
Nice.
Max team.
Win.
Let's go, Max.
Big one. This is like the battle of the bulls.
And now, find a new rival. Welcome to the world.
Yes.
Biggest dick.
Are you ready?
I
Go.
Hey. Hey. Whoa. Oi. Nice, sure you. Okay. Yeah, you got it. You got the lead. Just sit on it. Nice. Still get into the corner. Yeah, get him in the corner. Suffocate him. Maybe could have supered that. Nice jump round.
jumping in, that was it.
Prepare to strike.
I can see Max taking it down from here.
There we go. Money in the bank.
Nice blocking. Nice blocking. Nice. Oh, use the super there. Big damage. Oh, nice. Dander.
Dan?
Dander.
You win.
Dander.
Dander son?
Let's see.
Did the last before Mark?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And now,
This is Mark's
find a new
bodyguard.
rival.
Last line of defense.
Bodyguard for Mark. Wow, instantly to Ken.
I like this.
No hesitation.
I like it a lot,
Prepare to
actually.
strike. Now,
This is gonna be a huge match, I think. Let's go, Max. Hey! Oi! You're good. Oh! Okay. Oh! Nice, nice, nice. Just don't get hit with anything random here. Oh, you had him! It's okay, you're good, you're good. Hey! Gosh, gosh.
Into the battle. Go for it.
Hashtag Team Vinny. Oh, Dander! You got it, Max. You're nothing you haven't seen before. Nice. I'll just stand him right here. Mark. The Guardian is up. The Guardian of his lands.
Now,
Wait, it's
find a new
Max,
rival.
you, and Vinny?
Yeah, we got a little bit of work to do.
Prepare for battle. Into the heat of battle. Go for it.
General is up. Let's see if he can protect his nation. Love that one.
Just stick around for a goal, maybe.
Oh, that's good. I guess we're lucky that he didn't EX. You're good, you're good. Just don't get hit with an Aegis combo. Hey! Hey! Oh! Oh. So you got meter.
Into the heat of battle. Go for it.
Just gotta watch out for his shenanigans. Okay. Oh! The general. Powered. Motivated by the death of his men. Come on, Max. Whew. Whoa. This is the moment I've been waiting for. Right.
Now, find a new rival.
Gettysburg.
Prepare for battle. Fighters ready. Engage.
Oh!
Kazi, you got this.
I did have that.
You got this.
What the fuck?
Go.
You're shaking in
Guys, please. Walk.
God, get out of there. Oh, God damn it. Kaz,
Kazzy?
Kaz, I want a miracle.
You ain't shit, Kaz. He like the DeLorean. You gotta feed him shit. in order to work.
Fucking hell.
You ain't shit, Kaz.
Dear Lord, Kaz.
Alright, Vinny. Wow. Marcus, looking like he could do it.
Find a new rival. Welcome to the world.
Looking like he could do it. Looking. But I don't know if he could, you know.
Into the heat of battle. Go for it.
Vinny?
Kill him, Vinny.
Into the heat of battle. Go for it.
Hey.
Nice! Congratulations, Vinny. You won this.
Salties?
No, this wasn't a salty thing.